Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast Report. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Australian shares are set to fall at the open this morning. That's after another weak closing on Wall Street amid concerns about aggressive interest rate hikes from the US Federal Reserve. However, local commodity prices are likely to trade lower on account of weak underlying prices. The latest SPI futures indicate that the ASX 200 will open 64 points or 0.9% lower. Yesterday, the benchmark index finished 0.15% lower at 6,986 points. Moving on to some business news from this morning now, and Cleanaway Waste Management has completed the acquisition of Global Renewables Holdings. Commenting on the transaction, Mark Schubert, who's the Managing Director and CEO, says the site and facility provide a strategic location and infrastructure to enhance their broader network and customer offering at today and into the future. GRL will contribute to Cleanaway's earnings from the 1st of September this year. Fisher & Paykel Healthcare has entered into an agreement to purchase land for a second New Zealand campus in Auckland. The move is conditional on Overseas Investment Office approval to acquire the site for $275 million. The company will construct a second New Zealand campus on the site to complement its existing location at the Highbrook development in East Tamaki in Auckland. Development of the new campus will occur over a 20 to 30-year period with a focus on earthworks and core infrastructure over the next 5 years. And smart building materials company ClearVue Technologies is pleased to announce that the company has adopted an environmental, social and governance framework with 21 core metrics and disclosures created by the World Economic Forum. Global sustainable investment now tops $30 trillion. That's up 68% since 2014 and tenfold since 2004. Well, now it's time for a very short break. Stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Now let's take a look globally. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones dipped 0.9%, the S&P 500 declined 0.8% and the Nasdaq inched 0.55% lower. US shares finished August with the fourth straight fall, marking the weakest performance in August in 7 years. We saw the Dow Jones declining 4% over the month. The S&P 500 shed 4.24% and the Nasdaq dipped 4.64%, registering their largest monthly percentage dips in the month since 2015. Now, over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 1.3%. The FTSE was down 1.1%. The CAC dipped 1.4% and the DAX dropped 1%. The MSCI All-Country Stock Index fell 0.2%. Oil prices fell on Wednesday, with worries related with renewed restrictions to curb the coronavirus in China. Brent crude futures for October, due to expire yesterday, settled at $96.49. That was down 2.8%. WTI crude futures ended down 2.3%. at $89.55 a barrel. Gold prices dropped yesterday, and that was also on concerns with aggressive rate hikes by central banks across the world. Gold fell 0.4% to $1,715 an ounce. That's a 1-month low. Cryptocurrencies defied the broader gloom and held on to gains, with Bitcoin up 1.4% at $20,086. That's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.